everybody out so we can letter sign. We're going to say each letter, then punch out the sounds like a boxer. In between, we'll get in shape by jogging, jumping, and exercising our bodies and brains. Come on.
All right, guys, let's march. Get ready.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now run in place.
Run in place. Let's see how fast you can run. Now let's see how slow you can run. All right, just run now.
J, K, L, M, N, Let's pretend to jump rope.
See if you can jump on one foot. Now the other foot. All right, let's get ready.
O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, Time for jumping jacks.
Can you spin while you do it?
W, X, Y, Z. Super job! Now wave your arms.
Wave your arms.
Dance around like the winner
Spin
you
around.
are!
Children, you know we've been studying about animals. Today we're looking at a book about a veterinarian. Does anyone know what a veterinarian or who a veterinarian is? He is a doctor and he takes care of our animals just like your mom and dad may take you to a pediatrician. That's a doctor for children. Let's begin. A veterinarian, or vet, helps animals that are hurt or sick. A vet works in an office. A vet's office has tables on which animals sit. A vet checks a dog's eyesight at a checkup. A vet often weighs animals to make sure they are healthy. A vet looks for fleas in a dog's fur. Fleas make an animal itch. This vet is listening to a rabbit's heartbeat. A vet looks at dog's teeth to see if its teeth are healthy. Sometimes a dog's teeth are not healthy. A vet may need to operate to fix them. This dog has hurt its leg. The vet is using a bandage to make it better. Some vets work on farm animals. This vet is taking care of a donkey. Our veterinarians take care of our pets. Hello, here we are. This book is called Sally Goes to the Vet by Stephen Huneck. To vets everywhere, thank you. It has been raining for days. I have been stuck inside with nothing to do. At last, the sun is shining. I can go outside and play. I find my friend Bingo in a tree. We like to play the chasing game. First I chase Bingo, then Bingo chases me. I am running so fast I do not see the tree stump. I go flying through the air and land with a ground-shaking thump. I hear someone say, "Sally is hurt. Quick, take her to the vet." I am carried to the car. I lie down and back all the way to the animal hospital. I'm rushed right in. I do not even have to wait. "Do not worry, Sally. The doctor will be with you soon." The nurse explains that vet is short for a doctor of veterinarian medicine. That means doctor of cats and rats, dogs and frogs, parrots and ferrets, snakes and turtles, and even goldfish too. The vet examines me from nose to tail. "Sally, you will need an x-ray. Will it hurt?" I hear a click, and that is it. "Lucky you, no broken bones," the vet tells me. The vet looks in my eyes. The vet looks down my throat. The vet listens to me breathe and then listens to my heart. "Sally, you will need a shot. Will it hurt? Just close your eyes and think a happy thought." It really works. I hardly feel a thing. If you get lots of rest and take your medicine, you will be just fine. Remember, Sally, always look where you are running. I'll see you in 2 weeks. I'm feeling so much better. I cannot wait to get home and tell Bingo all about my visit to the vet. I tell Bingo about my x-ray and about my shot and what the vet taught me. Just close your eyes and think a happy thought.
A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta.
A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta.
A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Elbows back.
Elbows out.